My video tutorial will provide you with guidelines that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Anonymous Encryptor. Anonymous Encryptor is the ransomware that may attack many Windows computers all over the world today. This Anonymous Encryptor ransomware is able to damage the files. Essentially, my video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. I will simply show you how damaging this ransomware is. And I'll give you some recommendations on how you can recover the data, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover them. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files easily, without any troubles, but regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. So very soon users realize that they can no longer access the data, and the ransomware reveals this ransom note. It actually appends the anonymous extension to the file names, and it tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So go to this official website combocleaner.com, download the application, install the software, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. You need to click on the Start Scan button, and the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or other threats, so don't skip this important step. And so after the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will begin investigating your computer. Let me emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature helps to actually add certain folders on your computer, and the contents of these folders will always be under the protection by Combo Cleaner Premium license. By the way, you can upgrade to Premium and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Keep in mind that Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files, but it helps to effectively remove this ransomware and to protect your data. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover your data.